Hello Excel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel Excelinguals, where we dive deep into mastering Microsoft Excel. Today, we have a fantastic topic lined up for you. Transposing data. Have you ever wondered how to quickly switch rows into columns, or vice versa in Excel? Well, you're in luck because we're about to demystify the process. So, let's jump right into it. Step 1. Introduction to transposing data. First things first, what exactly is transposing data? Transposing simply means flipping the orientation of your data. If you have data arranged in rows and you want it in columns, or vice versa, transposing is the solution. Step 2. Select your data. To begin, select the data you want to transpose. You can select a single cell, a range of cells, or even an entire table. Step 3. Copy the data. Once your data is selected, right-click on it and choose Copy from the context menu, or simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Step 4. Choose Transpose option. Next, navigate to the location where you want to paste the transposed data. Right-click on the cell where you want to start, then choose Paste Special from the context menu. Step 5. Select Transpose checkbox. In the Paste Special dialog box, you'll see various options. Look for the Transpose checkbox and click on it. This tells Excel to paste the data with its orientation flipped. Step 7. Adjust formatting if needed. Finally, you might need to adjust the formatting of your transposed data, such as column widths or cell alignment, to make it look neat and organized. And there you have it. Transposing data in Excel is as simple as that. Whether you're working with lists, tables, or any other type of data, transposing can be a handy tool to have in your Excel arsenal. Experiment with it, and you'll be amazed at how it streamlines your workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks.